Perfect.
We are on our way to the river cruise, and this is our first stop.
Look like a statue.
Our restroom stop at another marble place. Amazing what they can do. Huge. They're huge. So we're gonna get something to eat because we didn't have breakfast. Well, Bella and I didn't anyways. So it's not just marble here. We also have gemstones. Room tour.
Yeah, I think they're all the same, but
They're
they're
all the
really
same.
cute. They're cute though. At least you have your own
Girls have the
bathroom.
biggest room.
I know, but at least you have a bathroom,
Yeah.
right?
So this is our room. It's actually prefer this than our last hotel.
The last one
Definitely don't
was
miss the
cool.
gold. It's cool. So we are on a 2-day, 1-night cruise. I'm gonna stand here in the shade because it's hot. What'd I say? We are on a 2-day, 1-night cruise on Halong Bay here in Vietnam, and pretty excited. Our boat looks kind of like those here. So we're gonna have lunch first, and then we're gonna go kayaking in a bit. Probably do some swimming, but they said we can't jump off the boat. We're gonna see if we can change that later.
That's stupid.
That's still
Hey,
nice.
stop. So put on your slippers. Put on your slippers. Put on your slippers. Anyways, we are going to have lunch in about 5 minutes.
Good help. Will be.
How long here?
Wow, so refreshing.
Hello. Daddy, can I throw you up here? Oh, thank you. This is so hot.
Look at the third one.
What are you doing, guys?
Yeah, but now that it's the center of the bay.
Wow. This is awesome. Jen, say hi. Wow. There's a cave we're gonna go check out, I think. I can't. Hey guys. So nice. I'm not gonna. Grumpy old man. Sure.
Gosh, that hurt my arms.
You did all the work.
Oh, thanks. How about you? About us?
Yes.
Let's do a selfie. You have a longer hand. Come on, let's have a selfie.
Okay. So we're only halfway up here.
Yes.
Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We're going to what's called T-top, and the steps are about 800 steps, and we're only halfway.
Okay.
And
I'll follow the leader.
all right, let's go, Uncle.
Yeah, well.
Here we go.
Yeah, good. Probably
Yeah, it's
tonight I'll be having the spin on my.
so it was easier early, and then now it's getting a little steeper.
Steeper. That's why.
But we are going to make it to the top. Doesn't help that it's super hot, well, humid anyways. Here's what it looks like.
I can tell Gloria, I'm here.
So let's keep going. Getting steeper, as you can see.
I'm doing good. I did it.
He tooted!
It even sounded loud. And there was a woman.
Uncle Fred farted on some lady.
That was good, Burn. That's an old woman.
Yeah.
You see the bottom?
Yes, we do. You can. It's not very far. Like 2 more switchbacks. 2 more switchbacks.
Right.
10 steps and 10 steps.
Nice. Thank you.
Right there. Right there.
50 steps.
One foot in front of the other, Uncle. We got it.
It's pretty hot. It's getting humid. Almost there, Uncle. There's the top right there. You can see it. There's the finish line.
You know what? Sometimes in the finish line, the last few steps are the hardest. Have you experienced that in the marathon? Right?
Well, usually it's, you see the finish line, you get that last kick.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because you're like, I'm done. I want it to be over with. Well, We made it. Come on. Welcome to T-Top. T-Top. Wow. 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 Nice. The life. These two enjoying. Yeah. In that lagoon we were at.
Just an encouraging sitting on the ledge.
It's on in my hat.
Look his butt.
Oi!
What did you drop your camera?
Oh,
Oh, that was a yoga.
that's our entire trip.
The shrimp are hanging from the...